Hi, this is Janet with Try It Like It Created, and today I'm going to try a new technique with ScraPerfect's foil. It comes in a package of 8 colors, and I'm going to be working with this purple. And what I have in front of me here is a piece of conditioned polymer clay, and I am going to place a stencil on top. So something like that. Alright, and then I'm just going to put a real thin layer of the best glue ever on top. And I'm just going to spread that around with my finger. And really, the thinner, the better. So where you see the white piece, it's probably a little too much for what I need. So I might take some of that off, actually, just to get it a little bit thinner. Okay. So I'm just going to put a real thin sheer coat on my polymer clay. And then I'm going to remove my stencil slowly. And I'm going to let that dry, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so I have switched out to the blue foil. And I am just going to give that a rub. And you can see that it's adhering well. Alright, so I don't know why I was having trouble with the purple, but I'm just as happy with the blue. And then I'm going to cut out some shapes. This is a piece I got from RJ Craft, and I'm going to make a pair of earrings using this foil. So let's find a shape that we like and cut into it. Give it a little wiggle. And then we need to tap it out without really damaging it. So let me think. Okay, I'm going to use a paintbrush to do this. Alright, so there's one. And looking for a piece that looks similar. Alright, so there are those pieces. And I think I'm probably just going to do a couple more because I have this excess clay. So I'm just going to make a few more pairs.